Welcome to Fashion Reel Channel. As always, this your place, all things fashion. If you haven't already subscribed, kindly go ahead and do so. We appreciate that much. Finding a summer dress is rather simple. Finding an item that is both feminine, attractive, seductive, or edgy, while also being flattering can be difficult. It is critical to consider styles that do not disguise the gorgeous shape you have, whether you are looking for a traditional or a more fashion-forward silhouette. There are styles that flatter all shapes, while others flatter specific physiques more gracefully. Now, if you're not sure where to begin or which type of summer dress best suits your figure, we've put up a helpful guide for you.